Up there, you have Shilo here, a Nutrigrower Junior. What are we here to tell everybody today? Something interesting about reuse, recycle, and growing green! So Shilo, we are going to share with everybody about the vertical drip system. Would you like to share with everybody how you do this? Yes? Stay tuned, we'll show you how to do a vertical drip system like this in less than how many minutes? 5 minutes. Can it be done? Yes? Alright, stay tuned.
Oh, you want the container for what? Yeah? Oh, I see. Okay, you can have it. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, if you see me collecting these containers, this is what I'm going to use it for. We're going to use these containers for our vertical drip system. Firstly, I'm going to draw the opening for the containers. Please get your parents to help you cut the holes.
Hi everyone, assist your child to cut the holes using a scissors here, clippers. And first you need to puncture a hole. And from there, it's easier to slant the container at an angle where it's easier to cut. So as you cut round, slant the container, and you can go round, and it's easier this way to cut the opening. Okay, here we are. Cut the opening of the container. We've also marked up openings of here so that the bottles could be joined, an opening here, so that after we are able to slot the containers vertically together. I will not show you how to cut this, but same method, puncture it and tilt it to cut the opening. This is how it looks like. So this is the rectangular part here and the circle here. So Shilo, would you like to show everyone how you join the vertical drip system together? So it's actually very simple. Shilo will show you how to do it.
First, you take out the cover, and then you slot it in. And then use the cover it back.
Wow, that's amazing. Even a kid can assemble this. So you will see, it holds very well. This is how we're going to grow all our vegetables and herbs vertically.
And there you have it. This is our vertical drip system. So wasn't it great? If you think our video is interesting, please like, subscribe and leave a comment. Bye everyone, see you soon.